How to use your No Mo Unibrow wax kit. Step 1. Cleanse and dry the area before waxing. Step 2. Rub the strip between your hands for 20 seconds. Step 3. Pull the strip apart and get ready for the wax of your dreams. Step 4. Align with bridge of nose and place the wax strip in between your eyebrows. Step 5. Press and rub the strip repeatedly in opposite direction of hair growth. Step 6. Holding skin taut, quickly pull the strip in opposite direction of hair growth. Step 7. Repeat steps 5 through 6 for the tops and sides of your brows. Step 8. Apply the post-wax aloe cream to the wax area for a smooth and calm finish. Step 9. Use the tweezers provided in the No Mo Unibrow kit to tweeze away any excess hairs. And finally, enjoy No Mo Unibrow!